Hi, and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. Today we're making a creamy corn and rice casserole. I recently shared with you my recipe for easy chicken enchiladas, which I'll link in the description box below. They are so delicious, and especially when paired with this creamy rice casserole. So a lot of you had requested that I share the recipe, and today's the day. This recipe is inspired by celebrity chef Sanchez. I saw him talk about this on Best Thing I Ever Ate, which is a Food Network show. This is a recipe that his mom makes in her restaurant. So I took it and I kind of tweaked it a little bit to make it quick and easy to make at home. This recipe is super flavorful, and it starts with a tablespoon of butter in my Dutch oven on about medium heat, and I'm gonna add 1 onion that I chopped up, and we'll saute that until it's translucent, and then I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic that I chopped up for like the last minute or so of cooking. My onions and garlic have finished cooking, so I turned off the heat, and now I'm just gonna throw all the other ingredients into the pot. So I'm starting with 2 cups of just instant white rice. It cooks in 5 minutes, super simple for a weeknight supper. So we'll add the rice in. Next, I'm adding 1 can of corn. This is 15 ounces, and I drained this because we don't need those juices. And I also drained 1 10-ounce can of Rotel. This is like the Aldi brand. It's the diced tomatoes with green chilies. So we'll sprinkle that in. Don't need the juice of that either. Next, we're adding 1 cup of sour cream. Part of what makes this nice and creamy. And the other part is 8 ounces of sharp white cheddar cheese. So I just grated that up by hand. Here we go. 2 more things. We're gonna season this up with a couple teaspoons of salt. So there's 1 and 2. And lastly, I have a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro that I just diced up nice and fine. We'll sprinkle that in and then stir everything together to combine it. My casserole is all mixed together, and my oven is preheated to 350 degrees. So the last step is to just put this whole pan into the oven for about 30 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on top and bubbly all the way through. My rice casserole has finished baking in the oven. It got all brown around the edges, and it's heated through, and the cheese is all nice and gooey in the middle. So now I'm gonna try it out. That's really good. The corn kind of pops in your mouth as you bite into it. And the cilantro is super fresh, and it's just a little bit spicy from those diced tomatoes and green chilies. And of course, it's really creamy from the sour cream and the cheese. I love this side so much, and you're going to too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and find me on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon with another family recipe. For the full recipe, check the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen.